Good evening, and welcome to your primetime market wrap. It is Monday, December 22nd, 2025, and Wall Street is kicking off this holiday-shortened week with a gift for investors, a Santa Claus Rally that pushed the major indices firmly into the green today. Here are your top stories in finance for tonight. First, let's look at the big board. The markets shrugged off early jitters to close higher across the board. The S&P 500 climbed nearly 44 points to close at 6,878. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 228 points, finishing the day at 48,362, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq rose 0.5% to close at 23,429. The driver today? A resurgence in big tech and banks. Nvidia and JP Morgan did the heavy lifting, easing fears that the AI trade was losing steam before the new year. But the real story driving sentiment is the Goldilocks data we got earlier. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that Core CPI has cooled to an annual rate of 2.6%. That is a multi-year low, folks. Inflation is finally looking tamed. However, there is a shadow on the labor market. The unemployment rate has ticked up to 4.6%, the highest level in 4 years. It's a double-edged sword. Inflation is down, but the job market is softening. All eyes are now on the Federal Reserve to see if they will commit to more aggressive rate cuts in early 2026 to keep the economy from cooling too much. Turning to commodities, we saw fireworks today. Oil prices jumped 2.4%, with WTI crude hitting $58 a barrel. This spike comes after breaking news that the U.S. Coast Guard is pursuing a sanctioned oil tanker in the Caribbean, reigniting geopolitical supply fears. Meanwhile, safe haven assets are shining. Gold touched a new record high today, settling near $4,469 an ounce. If you've been holding gold this year, your portfolio is looking very merry indeed. In the crypto markets, Bitcoin is fighting a stubborn battle at the $90,000 resistance level. It's currently trading around $89,300. Traders are citing thin holiday liquidity, but with Trump media announcing today that its Bitcoin holdings have surpassed $1 billion, institutional interest remains the headline story. It is a short week. Markets will close early this Wednesday for Christmas Eve and remain closed Thursday for Christmas Day. We are expecting the final GDP read for Q3 tomorrow morning. Consensus is slowing growth at 3.2%. We'll be here to break down those numbers as soon as the bell rings. For now, from all of us here at the desk, have a profitable evening.